Good morning. I'm Dr. Mahjabin Fatima. From Department of Electronics and Communication of Saga Institute of Research and Technology. This institute comes under the banner of the SAGE Group. I'm taking lab experiment of control system via MATLAB. Code is 404. Today I'm taking experiment number 8, root locus, Bode plot and Nyquist plot. Aim, draw root locus, Bode plot, Nyquist plot of given transfer function. I'm taking one example. Draw above plots for the following transfer function. S plus 2 upon S square plus 2S plus 10 equal to N. Now N is representing the transfer function. So write the program for this to draw root locus, Bode plot and Nyquist plot. So I'm writing here. The transfer function, the command is for the transfer function. TF is showing the transfer function. This 1 and 2 are the coefficients of numerator polynomial. 1, 2, 10 are the coefficients of denominator polynomial. So n equal to TF. This TF command will write the transfer function in MATLAB. Now next command is R locus within parenthesis n. This R locus will draw the root locus. Next command is Bode within parenthesis n. N is the variable of the transfer function. So this Bode will draw the Bode plot. Similarly, the Nyquist within parenthesis n is written here. So this Nyquist, this command will draw the Nyquist plot. This command will draw Nyquist plot. Next is LTI view. Within parenthesis, variable of transfer function is written. This LTI view will return the different number of plots for a given transfer function. So let us start on MATLAB. First I'm taking this transfer function. I'm copying this one and going to the MATLAB. So I'm writing a CLC and already open graph. I'm going to close this one. Now I'm starting with the transfer function. First of all, write the transfer function R equal to this much. So enter. Now you can see here that n is equal to this much is the transfer function, that is s plus 2 upon s square plus 2s plus 10. Now I want to draw the root locus, then Bode plot and then Nyquist plot. So first command is R locus for root locus. So R locus within parenthesis, write the variable of the transfer function. Now this command will draw the root locus. Now you can see here the root locus is drawn here and this graph is open. Next command for drawing of Bode plot. So write Bode within parenthesis, write the variable of the transfer function. Now this command will draw the Bode plot of the above transfer function. Now see here, this is here the Bode plot is drawn. This is showing the magnitude plot and this is showing the phase plot. Now this completes the Bode plot. So with the help of this Bode command, the Bode plot can be drawn. Now next is Nyquist plot. I want to draw Nyquist plot. So the command is Nyquist within parenthesis, the variable of the transfer function n is written. Now enter. So you can see here the Nyquist plot is drawn here. So with the help of these simple commands, R locus, Bode and Nyquist, different plots can be drawn. The next method is LTI view. We can use LTI view to draw the Bode plot, root locus, Nyquist, pole zero map, Nichols plot, etc. All the plots can be drawn simultaneously on a single figure. So I'm writing here LTI view within parenthesis n is the variable of the transfer function. Now enter this one. Now you can see here the LTI view is open. So I'm going on edit, go to plot configurations. On this plot configurations, different options are available. Like here, in this within one figure, only one plot will be drawn. With this option, within one figure, two plots can be drawn. For this option, three figures can be drawn in a figure. For this option, four plots can be drawn in a single figure. So similarly, five plots can be drawn, and similarly, six plots can be drawn at a time for a given transfer function. So I'm selecting this option where the six plots can be drawn simultaneously. So see the when I'm selecting this option, only when I'm selecting this one, you can see only 5 options are activated. Similarly, when I was selecting this, you can see only 2 options are activated here. Now I'm selecting here this option where 6 plots options are activated. Now first is step, next is impulse. I'm okay with this. Now for the third, I want to draw Bode plot. So I'm selecting here Bode plot. So again, next plot is initial condition. No, I don't want to draw this one. So click on drop down. So on this arrow, click on this arrow. Now I want to plot Nyquist plot. So I selected here. Now go to the next plot. I want to change this. Click on arrow and see. Now I want to plot the Nicole plot. Now next, last one, I want to draw pole zero map. So these three figures, sorry, these three plots are selected here. Now click on apply and then click on OK. Now you can see here, these 6 plots are drawn here. This is step response, this is impulse response, this is Bode plot, this one is Nyquist diagram, Nichols chart, and pole zero map. So with the help of the LTI views, 6 plots can be drawn in a single figure in single shot. Now this completes this experiment. Thank you.